Hi, I'm Dan Mattingly.
Hi, I'm Jordan Berger.
Safety is imperative to all of us here at NCW, and we want you to know that. We all have people who are important to us in our lives, and we want you to make it home safe and sound to those loved ones every day.
Sadly, thousands of workers are injured or even killed on the job every single year. Those statistics are unacceptable. We have high expectations that our employees will know and follow our health and safety guidelines.
Why don't you come on with me and I'll show you what NCW is all about with respect to safety. One of our core values here at NCW is fiercely protective of the NCW family. And to us, that means we have to play an active role in ensuring employees' safety every single day. We think the best way to do that is to stay in touch with the latest and greatest in terms of technique, training, technology, and safety protocols. That's what makes fiercely protective a reality for us.
Safety is everybody's responsibility. Take precautions, protect yourself and others from injuries, and prevent injury. Safety comes from teamwork and success. Work together to make sure everybody goes home at the end of the day safely.
Follow all safety requirements, attend all available safety training and events. We are more than happy to bring you all the safety tools you need to be successful, but we all have to do our part to make safety a priority together.
This video has been created to train NCW employees and future employees on NCW's requirements of our health and safety guidelines. You are required to meet and exceed all safety requirements. Should you ever need a copy of our health and safety program, you can find that located in your Paycom account. There are several rules and policies one must follow while on a job site. Here are some that you can use to protect yourself and others while working on the job. No weapons, violence, or horseplay. Stay hydrated, especially in the heat, and take frequent breaks. Dress in layers. Make sure to keep your skin dry when working in the cold. Practice safe lifting and utilize a partner when lifting anything over 50 pounds. Avoid awkward postures and anything with excessive vibration. Work in well-lit areas. Keep your work areas clean and tidy. Keep trip hazards out of walkways. Clean or cover slip hazards. Throw all of your trash away. Stack and store materials safely. And put your tools away at the end of the day when you are finished with them.
PPE or personal protective equipment is required on every job site. Some job sites require more PPE than others, but there are certain things you may be required to wear. NCW requires hard hats, foam safety glasses, overglasses, minimum cut force safety gloves, steel-toed boots, earplugs, and reflective high visibility clothing on all construction sites. For manufacturing job sites, it is recommended to wear steel-toed boots, reflective clothing, and safety glasses. NCW will adhere to the client's policy for these facilities. Please keep your PPE clean and in good condition. Inspect PPE before use every day or shift. If you ever need additional PPE, please contact the field support team.
Practicing good ergonomics is vital to reducing fatigue, discomfort, and injury. Maintain correct posture, avoid bending over and keep loads close to your body. Never lift materials from a sitting position or twist to pick up heavy objects. Use the correct grip on objects. Lift should be high and with full grasp of the hands. Maintain a clear line of sight. Objects should not block your vision. Regularly stretch back and leg muscles during the day.
Knowing how to use hand and power tools properly is vital to your job. Many punctures and laceration injuries occur because of unsafe operation. By applying the following tips, you'll be able to help prevent serious injury. Use the right tools for the job and use them as they are designed. Power tools should not be carried by the cord. Do not wear loose clothing or jewelry if working near rotating parts. Guards must be in place when tools are plugged in. Store tools in a safe and dry area. If you do not know how to use a specific tool, please ask for instructions on how to use them. Wear proper PPE when using hand and power tools.
Falls are the leading cause of injury in the workplace. Please use proper fall protection when working above 6 feet. Ladders must be inspected daily and be in good condition. Ladders may not be altered, such as combining 2 ladders to make one big one, and should be used as designed. Do not use the top step. Place ladders on a secure, firm foundation. Straight ladders must be pitched at a 4-to-1 ratio. Extend ladders at least 36 inches above landings.
Keeping the job site clean and free of debris is not only important for the safety of everyone, but it also helps boost morale and promotes pride in your workspace. Keep your work areas clean and orderly. Keep trip hazards out of walkways. Clean or cover slip hazards. Throw all trash away. Stack and store materials safely. Put tools away when you are done.
Many of you will operate machinery on the job site, including but not limited to aerial lifts, such as boom and scissor lifts, forklifts, telehandlers, excavators, and even company vehicles such as trucks or vans. All operators must either have a valid driver's license or operator license certificate. Operate carefully around pedestrians. Avoid traveling or working on uneven surfaces. When in aerial lifts, occupants must be tied off when working at least 6 feet off the ground, or adhere to the GC. Always keep hands and legs inside of the machine. Adhere to manual for maximum weight capacity. Use machine or vehicle as intended. Inspect machine or vehicle before each use. Wear a seatbelt when necessary. No horseplay.
As mentioned, falls are the #1 cause of injury on the job site. There are certain rules that must be followed when working at heights and when to use proper fall protection. Fall protection is required when working at a height of at least 6 feet. Harnesses should be inspected daily and be in good shape. Also snug but allow for movement. Connect lanyards to the appropriate anchor points. Wear harness correctly. Chest strap lays flat across the chest. D-rings lay in between your shoulder blades. Leg straps tight but allow movement.
Here at NCW, we do pre-employment, random, reasonable cause, and post-accident drug and alcohol testing. Failing one of these tests or refusing to test will result in immediate termination. All accidents, injuries, hazards, concerns, and near-miss incidents are required to be reported to NCW in a timely manner. All employees involved in an injury are required to have a witness.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this safety video. Always be alert and be aware of your surroundings. Be there for your teammates. Do the right thing, even when nobody is watching. Safety starts with you.
Our goal is that you make it home at the end of every shift the same way you came in. We want you to know you're important to us. And more than that, you're really important to all those loved ones waiting for you back home. Your safety is our top priority. We couldn't begin to thank you for all that you've done for NCW. We wouldn't be anywhere without our field employees.